Hello, I'm Dr. Kathleen Berry, proud owner of Pattern Making Academy. Over the past several decades, I have embarked on an exciting and transformative journey as author, researcher, consultant, pattern engineer, anthropometrist, scientist, and garment enthusiast. Driven by a deep passion and relentless curiosity, I have devoted my career to tackling one of the fashion industry's significant challenges, garment fit. Whether you are an experienced designer, pattern engineer, or an enthusiastic beginner, these sessions are packed with actionable insights and techniques to elevate you to the next level. The sessions also explore the evolution of fit from the past, present, and future, uncovering the complexities that shape the fundamental aspect of fashion. I'll keep this brief as I value your time, but if you'd like to learn more about my expertise and background, I invite you to visit my website at patternmakingacademy.com. Here is the table of content for Unit 4, Pattern Cutting Systems. These topics will be covered in this presentation. It's fascinating to see how pattern cutting systems have evolved. Achieving the perfect fit remains a challenge even in 2025. In my search to find a solution to better fitting garments, I came across two pattern cutting systems. One, a calculated proportionate system, and two, a direct measurement system. Both systems are indeed quite different from the procedure to garment fit. The differences will be addressed in this unit. There are many proportionate pattern cutting systems in the literature, but one that stands out for me was developed by Dr. Henry Wampum. The system was based on height and breadth measurements. These two body dimensions underlie the laws which define the harmonious proportions of the human form. Dr. Wampum based his system on what he believed to be fixed laws of proportionality that determine the development of shape and form in all species. Like the sculptors and artists of his time, he linked the ideal body proportions with beauty, harmony, and symmetry. This notion of ideal proportions formed the basis of Dr. Wampum's system. His inspiration grew from the 8 head height rule of Polyclitus. I admire Dr. Wampum's contribution to industry and the development of a system in the mid 1800s. You can rightly ask, why are we discussing a system developed so long ago? Let's move and see what each cutting system is about and how they vary and the impact they may have on the fit of female garments. Let's explore some of the for and against of each unit. The proponents of the proportionate system were and still are based primarily on an assumption of body proportionality that implies predictable relationship between specific body dimensions. This means that most body measurements needed to construct a pattern can be calculated according to a predetermined formula of body proportions. However, in reality, the calculated proportionate measurements are hypothetical. Arguments against the proportionate system. Until recently, no scientific survey has been conducted to confirm the validity of the body dimension relationship on which they were based. Researchers claim that the proportional system is outdated. The human body is unique. No two bodies are the same. The proportionality principle assumes an average-sized individual is averaged in all dimensions. It fails to recognize morphological changes in female body size and shape. Measurements in proportional systems are hypothetical. The system is outdated. The history of garment cutting systems and garment fitting is fascinating. Early pioneers like Dr. Henry Warmton made significant strides using proportionality rules to devise cutting systems. In the mid 1800s, well fitted garments were highly valued, and corsets played a crucial role in shaping the body to conform to the fashionable silhouette of the time. Dr. Wampum's work and similar advances laid the groundwork for more sophisticated pattern making techniques, blending science and creativity to achieve the desired fit. I commend Dr. Wampum and his contribution to the fashion industry in the mid 1800s. The early artisans were dedicated and paved the way for the fashion industry. The fashion trends at the time dictated the fashion trend by shaping the body to conform to the fashionable silhouette of the time. As a matter of interest, it was claimed that wearing a corset was unequivocally harmful, as it not only changed the morphological shape of the female body, but created health issues due to extreme tightness that encircled it. Despite various health issues, the fashion trend of the time made it an essential item in women's wardrobes. This practice contributed to the proportional system of pattern engineering being well entrenched by the end of the 19th century. Let's take a look at the direct measurement system. The direct measurement system uses measurements taken on the physical body and is traced back to the early artisans. Traditionally, the direct measurement was associated with well-fitting garments, which symbolized the expression tailor-made. Some tailors prided themselves on their ability to provide superior fitting garments and chose not to rely on measurements according to the rules of proportionality. The direct measurement system uses measurements taken on the body or a well-trusted and validated sizing chart. The direct measurement system is critical to the development of well-fitting garments. As body size and shapes are constantly changing, pattern engineering systems must also change. Here are some of the against using the direct measurement system. Some researchers claim that taking direct measurements is a waste of time. The challenges are the direct measurements can be challenging for less experienced individuals due to the precision required, increasing the likelihood of errors. Time-consuming manual measurements take a significant amount of time. Inaccuracy, manual measurements can be inconsistent, potentially causing fit issues in the final garment. Efficiency, calculated proportion system offer a quicker process. Now we're going to look at arguments for the direct measurement system. Human variation addresses differences in body shapes. Pattern relevance directly relates to body shape and are reflective in the patterns. Efficiency, it reduces the time needed for garment fitting. Critical role, essential for creating well-fitting garments. Accuracy, captures and replicates body shape, size, and characteristics effectively. The direct system relates to body shapes. The pattern reflects the body shape. It minimizes consuming time in garment fitting. The direct measurement system is critical to development of well-fitting garments. How the measurements are taken can capture and replicate the body shape and size and characteristics. There's more on this in Unit 5, Evidence-Based Study. Here is the summary of this unit, Pattern Cutting Systems, and it is another groundbreaking treasure of mine. Thank you for joining me in my journey. I trust that you have found it rewarding, interesting, and will be of benefit to you in your journey. Thank you.